Hello everyone, I'm very excited today. I finally got my out the front package, so let's get started and get into this. Alright. Ah. Look at that. So, U.S. bandolier. Another U.S. bandolier, because I got two. American socks. My order number. These are important. Look at this beauty. Here is my liner. How's the rope? Rope looks okay. I wonder what that is. Oh, it's just a liner. And then some other nice things. Some US thread. OD7. German thread. There's the US one. This is for the canteen, my German canteen. And then here's some split pins. That's really much it, guys. I'm really happy and very excited. So, since all that's German, hello. Well, I hope you guys enjoy my video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Diese sehen Kameraden. Hello everyone. Here is my M40. This is a 64. This is also dated 64. And for some reason, not surprised, it doesn't fit. How nice. I'm gonna have to like force it in there probably, but it doesn't fit in perfectly. How nice. I love that. Oh, all right, never mind, it fit. There we go. I don't want to get it stuck in there. I don't know if, I'm pretty sure I have it on the right way. I will have to look. I'm pretty sure because the stamps are always in the back. I was so scared there for a second. It just needs a little bit of force. A little bit of force. So I'm gonna go check back up with you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, I'm gonna be replacing this. So mine's coming out. Yeah. Look, it wants to come out. But it won't. Oh, there it comes. There's that. I don't think it really matters what side it goes on. Now, let's see how to get this in. So, give me one moment. I'm back, guys. Here's my old one. Sorry I didn't show y'all. I already have it in. I literally just pushed it down. It's not that hard. Kind of like American, like cork, but kind of. But cork would break, so you really have to like wet it first and then like screw it. Right now it has that little texture fade or whatever that like this one has, like that imprint from the cap. That's what mine's starting to get. That's really it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I cannot wait, as you can see, I cannot wait to get this started. And put a liner, chin strap, put some texture on it, get the split pins in, and then boom, original helmet used for reenacting. That's all I can. And then it's just gonna be awesome. I just can't wait, honestly. And then I can make another video on like all my other stuff that I got right here, because they're already here and stuff. Like a new impression video for my GI stuff, since I got some bandoliers. Just gotta fill them up. I'm gonna use some cardboard, just cut it up into like squares, and this I'm gonna keep somewhere. Keep in here with my other US court. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll be seeing coming on. Alright everyone, here's my bandolier. Let's get this on here. Let's get it out of here. Come on. There we go. I wonder if these have any adjusters. I don't think they do. No, they don't. Look at that. Looks very nice. No stamps, of course, but that's fine. That's period. Anything? I wonder if there's anything inside. I probably should use some cardboard and like make it to like a square and put it in here for like an unblock clip. Let's see. Let's put this on. Oh yeah. Looks great. I mean, if I could tie it or like make it close to my body, I would, but obviously there's no way to do that. And neither were there on original, so I wonder if there's anything in the pockets they have hiding for me. Extra money. Imagine. No, I think these are really nice. I can't wait to use them for my next impression video. But I have another one too. Again, just the same thing. I think these are really nice. And I just can't wait. I can't. Oh my god, I can't speak. I'm just happy I got them. Oh, this one's being a pain in the butt. I don't know what I'm doing, don't ask. Yeah, look, now they're like opposite. Oh, I just realized. There we go. Yeah. Excuse me. Let's get some cardboard. Good thing I have some. I'll show you guys my after result. And of course, here's some thread so I can start sewing. So that's good. But you too. Alright, be right back, guys.